Happy new day, new night, new evening, new afternoon, whenever you decide to watch this video. It is the A-Team Tribe on another nature excursion adventure.
No, right there.
So my children,
a caterpillar and a cicada got stuck on it. And like a cicada was trying to shed out its skin, and the wing is stuck in its skin. Yeah, and there's like a caterpillar trying to climb up something. Yeah, and I think when it didn't come out of its skin, I think it's going to die.
okay.
Yeah.
So basically what that is, it's a cicada. Cicadas are bugs that 2 to 17 years, they come up out of the ground. They shed their old skin, as the children like to call it, and then they go back in the new ground. Go back underneath the ground. Well, this cicada...
It flies.
I know, right? Thank you, Orlando. So this cicada... I know that. Hey, bro. I know. I'm not talking to you. So this cicada looks like it shedded its old skin, but its wing... Hey, but its wing... can you get off my back? Get off, no, seriously, get off my back. But its wing got caught in its skin that it was shedding. Can you see that?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So, as it's caught, that means it's becoming food for other animals like ants. Ants. There you go. Ants and other insects, because that's basically part of the circle of life. And we were trying to think of a way to help this cicada.
Everybody grab a stick and try to get the cicada.
Right, you hear that? So we're thinking about grabbing its old skin and trying to get it off of the cicada so it could survive. It's a very pretty cicada.
Yeah.
It's brown and stuff. The one you've seen is green. That's pretty. Can you please stop jumping on my back? Here, can somebody hold my phone?
No, I will.
Take turns. Just hold over there. You can wait your turn, okay?
Okay.
So hold it right there. I'm going to see if because it looks like its wing got caught in it. And I don't want to hurt it more.
Let's get it. Get it. Get it, Mommy. Get it. I know you can do it. Be careful, Mommy. Get it.
Be careful.
Get it, Mommy. Get it from there. Get some wet.
Aw, snap.
What is it?
Hold on.
Is it
All right, I'm going to pick it up, guys. You ready?
Oh, my God. No. Get back. No. Get back, everybody. Okay. Alex. Yeah.
Alex, come back here.
Be careful, Mom.
Okay, so see, its wing is caught in its old skin, and I don't think I'm going to be able to take it out without
there it is.
And breaking its wing and it being food anyways.
Mommy, is it my turn?
Hold the phone?
Is it my turn? My turn. Stay right there, Mom. Mike, you're blocking the way. You're blocking the way. You're blocking the way.
You guys move, please.
Don't push me. Mom.
Yeah, so I don't think I'm going to be able to save it because...
Drop it, Mom. No, I'm not done with my turn. I'm not done with my turn. No, I don't want to. Okay. How do we save the little poor thing?
Well, its wing is caught in the skin. So if we were to pull the wing, then he wouldn't be able to use it to fly. So that would make it become food as well, because cicadas need their wings to fly.
Hey, go back.
So we can try to help it. I just don't want to cause it pain. Like,
Mom,
I don't want it to suffer more than what it already is. You know what I'm saying? So I think we should just say a prayer for it and let the circle of life and the other ants do what they do and have it become their food and just learn from it. What do you think?
Very cool. This is my turn. It's like this sound like I'm not done. My turn.
Let go.
Mom, I'm not done. It's my turn.
Yes, you are, because I said you are. And it's my phone.
Mom, I'm not done. It's my turn. Mom, I'm not done. The leaf bug.
Okay.
Where? Oh, see, starts again. Oh, the leaf bug. I'm glad to see a leaf bug.
You see a leaf bug?
Where? I just saw something move in there. Oh. What? But wait, I was a leaf bug. Ow! That's Yo. Did you not bump me in the head? Maybe I have an idea. I don't see anything.
All right, got my phone.
Okay. Put it back in the dirt.
So, bug doctor. It is pretty, yeah. They're gonna let nature take its course, even though it's, you know, kind of sad at the same time. But, you know, such is life, though. The circle of life, such is sometimes we get caught up in a situation and we can't get out of it. In order to
let me touch it.
And touch it. In order to get through that situation, we have to just.
Mom, can sit down?
Yes.
And put it back in the jar so it can go back in it so that it can eat it.
So that's a good idea, but its wing is caught in the dirt.
So can you put it in the dirt? No, it would dig in the dirt with his skin.
No, its wing is caught. Like half of its body is not moving anymore because its wing is caught. Like part of it's dying. It's dying slowly, but it's dying.
Oh, no, it's dying. It's cold.
Not because it's cold, because he didn't come out of his shell correctly.
I think that's a girl.
It didn't come out of its shell correctly, so part of its body got caught in it. So its whole body isn't functioning the way it's supposed to.
No, that girl's coat.
That is a really pretty coat.
Or baby. No,
Okay,
don't do
so
something.
y'all figure that out. Pray over it. Let it pray over its soul, and that the ants that eat it be hearty and full. There you go. It's funny, but I'm so serious. But yeah, this reminds me of, we may get stuck in a situation. This really hits home. Cause I'm stuck in a situation. Not stuck. Yeah. It's a situation that I cannot change, and I wish I could, but unfortunately, I just have to let it run its course. I have to. I can't take it back. I can't change it. My decision that caused me to get here. It's like the cicada can't change itself from being stuck and not shedding its skin properly. So in its case, its physical body is gonna die. So other insects can eat from it, and its soul will go back to Mother Universe. And in my case, I have to deal with what I'm going through. However, out of it, I will rise and be stronger, better, and smarter and wiser. But I just gotta let things take their course, their natural course, nature's course. Yes. Okay, let her push Adis. Just let her have a turn. It's not about you needing help. Just let her have a turn. Then get out. Let her have a turn and push somebody then. And you can get back in when she's done. But yeah. Yay! So yesterday's lesson, y'all, is letting things take its natural course and stay stronger, be wiser, be better, learn the lesson, and keep going once it's over and done with. But that was fun. That was pretty cool. All right, what'd you guys like to say? Hold on. Elena, Alex, Amr, would you guys like to say anything to Facebook before I log off? No thanks?
Sorry, Alex.
You guys want to say anything to Facebook? Stop. Hi. You want to say anything?
Hi.
Hi, bye.
Bye.
Would you like to say anything, Alex, to Facebook?
Bye.
All right. All my babies say bye. Would you like to say anything, Arayan? Yeah? You gonna say bye? That's his way of saying bye. All right, thanks for tuning in to another A-Team Nature Adventure and lesson learning with me, the personalized analytical connector. And if this video touched you in any way and happened to help you realize if you're caught in a situation that you can't get out of and it feels like you're being eaten alive or there's no way out, stay the course. Don't give up. Let it run and come out better, wiser, stronger because of it. You just been packed up and it is right on vibe for you. There is peace in the blood. Closed minds and hearts won't get filled, won't be filled. Are you connected? Have a great night, everybody, because we about to go to bed too. Well, they are, I'm not. Peace.